You've spent hours building the perfect QGIS project. But how do you share it with someone who doesn't even have QGIS installed? That's why publishing your population project as an interactive web map in MAPOG makes collaboration much easier. Open your project in QGIS. If you don't already have one, go to Layers, then Add Layers, then Add Vector Layers. Here browse and upload regional population data. Now head to Plugins, click Manage and Install Plugins, and search for the MAPOG plugin. Install it and open the plugin from Toolbar. Log in using your MAPOG account credentials. Inside the plugin you'll find options like MAPOG to QGIS and QGIS to MAPOG. Since we're publishing our project online, select QGIS to MAPOG. Click Upload Layer to MAPOG. Choose an existing map or create a new one. Select the layer you want to publish and click Upload to MAPOG. Once the upload finishes, you'll receive both public and private share links that you can instantly send to your team or clients. Open the link in web, you'll see how your project looks on MAPOG. Now for further analysis, let's see the project on story.mapog.com. Open Create and Publish and select the same map you uploaded. Your QGIS project is now available as an interactive web map. You can explore the attribute table, inspect every record, and style your data visually. Open Add Layer Style, choose Quantity Style, select the population attribute, customize the color, adjust the ranges, and save the style. Within seconds, your population map becomes much easier to understand, helping users instantly identify high and low population regions. Teams can explore the map directly in their browser, understand the data faster, and collaborate more effectively without needing specialized GIS software. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.